I'm using the green Gobbler drain opening pack on a slow bath sink drain. The kit comes with a drain tool to remove hair and break up a buildup in the drain. Run the tool into the trap and move the tool up and down a few times. After using the tool, cut open the pouch, then pour the powder into the drain opening. Run some hot water to dissolve the powder and rinse the powder from any surfaces. Let it stand for 20 to 30 minutes, then flush with hot water for a few minutes. Wear disposable gloves and eye protection. Avoid contact with the powder. Don't mix with bleach or other drain openers and have plenty of ventilation.